Hi, sunshines. So we're going to do vocabulary of spheres. We're going to focus on volume, but I want to talk a little bit about the words you're going to need to understand the problems. So step one is, what is a sphere? It is the set of points that are equidistant from one given point. That's the center. In plain English, that just means it's a ball. It's perfectly round and no part of the surface is sticking out compared to any other part. They're all the same distance from the center. If you take a cross section, so that's when you make a clean, flat cut through your sphere, you're going to get a circle. And the biggest cross section, the one that goes through the center of your sphere, is called a great circle. There are infinitely many great circles to each sphere. You can cut it at any angle. So this one here would be a great sphere. This section here, perpendicular to my line of sight, would be a great circle. And obviously the green one is a great circle. Your radius is just like the radius of a circle. It's any segment that connects the center of the sphere to the outside surface of the sphere. It's always the same length, no matter where you connect it to the outside. And you can draw, your radius doesn't have to be perpendicular to your line of sight. I could draw a radius here, but I could also draw a radius to here and have it connect to this front surface. And this segment is going to be the same length as this segment. This looks shorter, but that's just because the segment is coming towards me, whereas this one is going sideways. And some other segments you should be familiar with, they're just like in a circle. A chord is a segment that connects 2 points on your sphere. So this one is on that front surface, and this one is on the top of the sphere. So it's going through the interior of the sphere, connecting 2 points on the surface. A diameter is a chord that passes through the center, again, just like a circle. And a tangent is a line that shares exactly 1 point. It's just touching the outside of your sphere, but it's not going inside of it. It's not stabbing through it. It's just touching the outside. So it shares that 1 point on the surface, and then it just continues on its merry way. A hemisphere is just when you cut a sphere in half. So that flat surface is going to be one of the great circles of your sphere.